For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
No country is immune from cyber attacks, but what comes as a shocker is during the pandemic, the number of cyber attacks have skyrocketed. In another such worst breach, thousands of accounts, especially of the Government of Canada, have been hacked. What makes the situation even worse is that the hackers fraudulently issued CERB payments. Shockingly, payments related to Canadian emergency benefit for COVID-19 outbreak has been issued without their request. A whopping 9,041 government accounts have been hacked in Canada. The federal government has revealed that the Canada Revenue Agency was hit by 2 cyber attacks. The hackers targeted the GC Key service, a unique electronic credential used by some 30 federal departments and Canada Revenue Agency accounts. Of the roughly 12 million active GC Key accounts in Canada, the passwords and usernames of 9,041 users were acquired fraudulently and used to try and access government services, a third of which accessed such services and are being further examined for suspicious activity. All affected accounts have been cancelled. The Treasury Board said that the hackers took advantage of the fact that many people reuse passwords and usernames across multiple accounts. Taking cognizance of the situation, the concerned departments have suspended the access to the hacked accounts. Officials now claim that the details of the taxpayers' information has been safeguarded.
The Canada Revenue Agency (CRA) quickly identified the impacted accounts and disabled access to these accounts to ensure the safety and security of the taxpayers' information.
The Canadian government has launched an investigation and the federal police are investigating the case.
The CRA is continuing to analyze both incidents. Law enforcement assistance has been requested from RCMP and an investigation has been initiated.
Compromised accounts, which is used by about 30 federal departments, were shut down when the threat was first discovered. The issue came to light when a number of Canadians received emails saying that their direct deposit information has been altered. The CRA said it is sending letters to those affected by the attacks, explaining how to confirm their identity to regain control of their accounts. Just in the year 2019, Canadian organizations saw a never-before attack on their security system. In the year 2016, country saw some of the most destructive cyber attacks since the dawn of the internet. Looking at the recent trends, it seems like the cyber attacks will not only continue but also increase in severity.